These are my tools for making great PS2 tutorials. Let's do this.
Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So this is a quick demo test of using the Fortuna Project with the newer version of the PS2 Slim, the 9001 series. So if I press triangle, we can clearly see it's the SCPH-90001. And then if you're curious, here's my PS2 setup. I just got this recently from eBay, and it works out pretty well. So let's go ahead and go into the browser. And once we're inside the browser here, we're going to my memory card. And we just want to make sure that this is the first file on the memory card, so you should be good to go. Press escape or circle 2 times, and if everything is working properly, you're going to be in the ULaunch ELF screen, which I'm at right now. To help save some time, I also mapped an R1 shortcut to my OpenPS2 loader.elf, which is on the memory card under the boot folder. So I'm going to press R1, and now it's going to load into OPL. And then I have my USB thumb drive, so it's going to load a game list. I only have one game installed here, and let's go ahead and load it, Marvel vs. Capcom 2. So this is a nice, nifty solution. If you have the latest PS2 model, those are not compatible with FreeMake Boot for certain date codes. Mine is not compatible, of course, because I tried it. So Fortuna Project is a good way of as an exploit, so to speak, from my soft-modded memory card. The only caveat is, of course, you need a way to put the files onto the memory card in the first place. So you're going to need a modded PS2 or maybe like a memory card adapter of some sort to put the files on there in the first place. So if you have a way of doing that, it's a good way of, putting some new life into your old PS2, basically. So in terms of performance, this is USB. This game works pretty well for that. OPL is a great program, so if you wanted to, you could have games hosted on your computer or Raspberry Pi or a travel router, what have you, and you can load games through the SMB protocol through the network, and that's a nice alternative solution as well. So here we go, some quick gameplay, and we see that clearly it works out fine. So that's today's quick demo video, Fortuna Project, PS2 Slim, 9001 series. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.